Welcome to this week's edition of Vaccine Research Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has approved Novavax's COVID-19 vaccine for specific high-risk populations. The vaccine is now authorized for individuals aged 65 and older, as well as those aged 12 and above with pre-existing conditions such as asthma and diabetes. The FDA delayed approval by 6 weeks to obtain additional safety data, with a focus on myocarditis and pericarditis. As a condition of approval, Novavax must conduct post-marketing studies to monitor rare heart inflammation risks. Unlike the mRNA vaccines from Pfizer and Moderna, Novavax uses a traditional protein-based technology, offering an alternative for those seeking non-mRNA solutions. AIM Vaccine has announced regulatory approval for its mRNA Shingles vaccine in both the People's Republic of China and the United States. This is the first mRNA Shingles vaccine globally to achieve clinical approval. It demonstrated significantly stronger immune response compared to current global benchmarks. The vaccine addresses a substantial unmet need in China, where the shingles vaccination rate remains below 1%. AIM's mRNA platform also includes a pipeline for other critical indications, including respiratory syncytial virus, rabies, and influenza, signaling potential long-term innovation in vaccine development. South Korea's SK Bioscience has won a patent dispute against Pfizer. The country's Supreme Court ruled that SK can produce and export individual components of its 13-valent pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, known as PCV13. This ruling enables SK to enter the global pneumococcal vaccine market, with initial focus on Southeast Asia and Latin America. Additionally, SK is collaborating with Sanofi to develop a 21-valent pneumococcal vaccine, currently in Phase 3 clinical trials. The decision marks a major strategic win, potentially reshaping competitive dynamics in the global pneumococcal segment. Bharat Biotech has reported strong Phase 3 results for its oral cholera vaccine, Hilcol. The vaccine was found to be effective against both major Vibrio cholerae serotypes, Ogwa and Inaba, and was well tolerated across all age groups, including infants. With global demand for oral cholera vaccines estimated at approximately 100 million doses per year, Bharat Biotech's production capacity of up to 200 million doses positions the company to fulfill substantial international needs. Distribution is expected to begin within the coming months, enhancing global cholera prevention efforts. Moderna has withdrawn its FDA submission for its combined influenza and COVID-19 vaccine. The company opted to include additional Phase 3 efficacy data, delaying the anticipated approval timeline to 2026. Moderna remains in active discussions with the regulatory authorities and plans to release updated results from a 40,000 subject flu vaccine trial later this year. While the delay impacts market entry, the combined shot remains a strategic priority, especially for older adults at heightened risk of severe disease outcomes. Stay ahead in vaccine research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.